Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this unit from LUVMEHAIR, and before I show you the unit, it's over here. I just want to unbox and show you the goodies that came in my package. They gave me a strip of Velcro, which is super clutch, you'll see why. And then they also gave me headbands. I got this really cute silver crushed velvet one, this white one, this one that kind of matches with my top, the camo, a polka dot one, and the one that I'm going to be wearing today, this cute crushed velvet nude one. And then I also had another little package, little thing inside there, and they gave me this mirror. I've gotten this mirror before. I love it. I'm so glad I've got two. This is such a cute mirror for my handbag. And then they also gave me a scarf for my lace, and then there's just a dust bag and a wig cap in the package. And then I've also got this info pamphlet from LUVMEHAIR, and it basically tells you how to take care of the wig, if you want to return, you know, stuff like that, like lots of info. And then this is the actual wig. Guys, I love this hair. This is such soft hair. This is a headband wig, and I'm so glad that this is the hair texture that this headband wig came with. As you can see, there's no lace on a headband wig. It is one of the most convenient wigs ever. This is the back. This is where, if you guys needed to replace that Velcro strip, that's where it would go. There are combs in the back of the wig and also in the front, just so that you can secure it. There is no lace for you to glue down or anything like that, which makes this wig so easy to apply. Literally all I did was put it on. That's it. But I'm going to be getting into the actual texture of the hair because it is beautiful, okay? I will have all the details of this hair in the description box, but I think I'm so excited for this hair because with a headband wig, you don't really have like a lot of versatility, but with this one you do. So I'm going to go in with my straightening comb, and this is gonna kind of mimic blow drying the hair, and I just want to show you how the hair looks when I just go through it with a straightening comb. And I feel like this is one of those methods that is going to be used with this wig because it's so convenient. All you do is literally brush through the hair. So as you can see, the natural texture and the blown out texture look pretty similar, and I wanted to go in with the straightener just so that I can amp up the bone straight vibes, you know. With this hair, you can go in with heat and you can straighten the hair, but the great thing about this wig is you can also revert the hair back, and it curls into a nice tight curl pattern, but you can also straighten it, which is what I am very excited about when it comes to this hair. So as you can see, the natural wave is very wavy, very bedhead, very cute, and then you go in and you can straighten and you can make it bone straight, which is great. Like, a headband wig is not that versatile, but if you can change the texture, you can get like 3 wigs in one. Do you get what I mean? I love that. So I'm gonna go in and just put my headband on and just style it up, and then I want to show you guys how the straight hair looks. So it's very cute. It's a very beautiful straight vibe, and this is 22 inches, so this is how it sits on me. And then I'm gonna go in with some mousse so that I can show you the wig reverting back to its natural texture. So I went in with mousse, and then I also went in with water. I'll show you guys that. But I literally all I did to get the hair curly again was I went in with the mousse and then I started scrunching. So I raked the mousse in, raked the water in, and then I started scrunching. You'll see I'm going to take the bottom of the hair and just scrunch it up just so that I can revert back to the natural texture. And it really did revert quickly, which is great. So if I'm in the mood for some curls, but I'm in the mood for a headband wig and I just want to go to the grocery store, for example, I can do that, and I can do that quickly. If I want to straighten it, I can do that quickly. So this is how it looks. This is how the 22 inches looks on me, and I love it. I love it. I love it. So on the one side, you can see I've got the hair straight and the hair's beautiful. That shine, that luster, it's impeccable. And then on the other side, you can see the curls. Okay, the curls are popping, the curls are beautiful, and they're just healthy. They're very nice. So I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to show you how everything looks on either side, and then I'm going to curl the other side as well. How stunning, how easy, how versatile. Girl, get this wig. I will have the link in my description box, and I'll also have the link to Love Me Hair's hair store. Bye guys.